Want to use those fresh jalapenos in some spicy, juicy recipe today? We got you. All you need is some ground beef, shredded cheddar, barbecue hot yard barbecue sauce, and burger dry rub. You cook the meat and the cheese down on your flat top grill or cast iron skillet. Season it with the dry rub and mix well so the cheese is melted and combined with the meat. Once the meat is done, start carving out your jalapenos. The best way is to cut out little dough and fill the peppers with the meat filling. Then, wrap it up with some bacon and place it in your Green Mountain Grill's smoker. After some time, when they're almost finished, glaze them with barbecue hot yard Coffee Texas BBQ sauce and let it caramelize all the way through. When they look something like this, take them out and try not to eat them all at once. Enjoy!